Sorry, Snoopy. You can't go with us. Dogs aren't allowed on the school bus. Woof.
Hi everyone! If you know me, you would know that my entire aesthetic basically consists on anything moon or star or zodiac related. So today I wanted to do a DIY moon inspired room decor video. These DIYs are both inspired by something that I saw on a Instagram store. So I'm gonna save you guys some money with these very easy DIYs. Let's get into it. So for the first DIY you will need some photo transfer paper, and I will link a link down below to where you can buy this because I got a lot of questions last time I used this paper. And it's really easy, you just print out a picture onto this paper and you can iron on any fabric that you like. For the fabric I'm upcycling this random tote bag that I got at an event. I don't use this, so might as well use the fabric. So I'm just cutting off the handles and I'm cutting it into a one-piece square. Now it's time to design. So for this I'm using Canva, not sponsored, I just use this for all my school assignments and stuff like that. So I'm trying to find a picture of the moon that matches the aesthetic that I'm going for. And you can find these all over Google and find one you like. Basically I copy-pasted that into Canva and then I typed out La Luna because I wanted some text to be in there. And then I mirrored my picture because when using photo transfer paper you always want to mirror everything because you're gonna iron it on with the wrong side up. After printing the design I had to wait 30 minutes for the ink to dry, so I'm just going back to my fabric. To hang this up I found this wooden dowel and I'm hot gluing that to the back of my fabric. After waiting for 30 minutes it's time to cut out my design. You want to cut a little around the edges, so don't cut directly into your design, please. So now it's time to iron this bad boy on. That was so unnecessary. Okay, so I'm taking an iron. You can use any iron. I don't know if a steam iron works, but you can try. Okay, so iron out your fabric first so you have a flat surface to work on. Next, place your paper, the picture side facing the fabric. Place some baking paper over it to make sure nothing burns. Now start ironing. My package said I had to iron down for about 1.5 minutes, but I used a good 5 minutes for this just to be sure. So I highly recommend just doing it a little longer. As long as you don't smell any burning paper, you're good. So then I waited another 30 minutes before carefully peeling off the paper. Then I tied some yarn around the wooden dowel and it's ready to be hanged. It's so easy, it's so cheap. It only cost me the money for the transfer paper because I already had all the fabric and the wooden dowel. So this is so easy and so cheap to make. I highly recommend doing this for maybe someone's birthday, maybe print out a picture of them. This is really cute. So yeah, if you recreate this, definitely send me a picture. So for the second DIY, you will need some iron wire and some fairy lights. And we're gonna try to make the shape of a moon. You can choose any shape you want. You can even write your name if you have a short name. But I'm just gonna make a moon. So this was actually not as easy as I thought it would be. I thought it would be very easy to make a moon shape, but it actually took me a while. But at the end of the day, I got a pretty good moon shape, so keep trying. I actually had to start over a few times. I thought this DIY would be so easy, and it is easy, but it just took a while to get this shape right. Then it was time to wrap my fairy lights around my moon shape, and this string of fairy lights is 3 meters long, but you can do this with 2 meters as well because I had a lot of excess. and then you're done. And I know this is such an easy DIY, but I absolutely love this DIY. I am so happy with the results, and I would definitely buy this if I saw it in a store. So you're definitely saving some money. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, follow me on Instagram if you like to. I also recently made a TikTok, so follow me on there for smaller content like me redecorating my room, or smaller DIY videos or painting videos. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a great day, and till next time.